Looking for the easiest way to use today's top AI tools? You're in the right place. Welcome to GlobalGPT, your one-stop hub for AI creation. Sign in to your GlobalGPT account to get started. Today, we're using Midjourney V7 on GlobalGPT, one of the most creative AI image generators available for creators and artists. We've uploaded a front-facing photo of a cat. This will be our base image. Now let's write a prompt that guides Midjourney to generate a Ghibli-style result. Close-up portrait of a fluffy cat in Studio Ghibli anime style, soft lighting, pastel background, watercolor texture. Here's the magic. The photo has been transformed into a charming anime-style artwork. If you want better control over your results, be clear with your desired style. Add emotional tone. Don't forget lighting cues. Thanks for watching. With GlobalGPT, your next idea is just a prompt away. Hit subscribe and stay ahead with the latest AI tools.